First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, this video is specially for railway exam aspirants. So if you are preparing for a railway exam, so kindly watch the complete video. Do not skip any part of the video, right? So friends, if you are preparing for a railway exams, so first important thing, every student should remember one thing, as well as you should keep this in mind. Under the railway exam, we have many categories of exams, right? Many different exams are there. For example, RRB ALP, RRB NTPSC, RRB Group D, RRB Technician, RRB Para, Medical Related, RRB Loco Pilot. So many railway exams are there. But kindly do not study only for one particular exam. That is the mistake what many students are doing it. Prepare commonly for railway exams. Why? Because when you take all these railway exams, most of the railway exams, 99% of the railway exam, the syllabus is same. The exam pattern is also same. Only difference is the level of the question. For some railway exam, the level of the question will be very easy. But for some railway exam, the level of the question will be moderate to hard. So while studying itself, what you need to do is, for example, if you are preparing aptitude and if you are studying time and work, so what you need to do is you have to practice all the easy level question. At the same time, you have to practice all the hard level question also. Only then, if you prepare like this, aptitude, each and every topic, easy to hard, and practice as well as studying. So when you do this, then surely you can able to crack any one of the railway exams, because you know, right, you can apply for all the railway exams. It can be a technician, or it can be ALP, or it can be Group D, whatever the railway exam be, because the pattern is same, syllabus is same, everything is same, right? Only thing is you have to study and practice more. That is the main scenario to crack the railway exams. So kindly do not study for any one particular railway exam. Study commonly for all the railway exams, right? So while preparing itself, do this. Surely you can crack any one of the railway exams on the upcoming years, right? Not only this year or next year, upcoming year, surely you can able to crack it. So, and some important thing I will be telling in this video. So if you are preparing only for the railway exam, first thing what you need to do, right? So that is the first step, self-analysis. And second step, what is my plan to teach in my channel regarding the railway exam? Because from this, I will be starting the railway exam series. So starting from all the aptitude topics, reasoning topics, I am going to post it. So what I am going to do, and the third part will be the railway exam layout. For the past 5 years, we have taken most of the railway exams and the question papers, and we look into what are all the topics they have asked, how many questions, so which topic you need to give more importance. So these three things I am going to explain in the video. Kindly do not skip any part of it, right? So first thing, self-analysis. First thing, if you are a railway aspirant preparing for railway exam for more than 1 year, or this is the first time after completion of your engineering college, this is the first time you are going to prepare for the railway exam. You don't know what about mathematics. I didn't touch mathematics books for more than 3 years. If you are under that category, don't worry, right? First, you have to know one thing. You have to analyze, self-analyze, what is my level in mathematics, right? So here I have given 5 tests, right? You can get the test on my mobile application, Google Play Store, Feel Free to Learn. There is a column called railway exam, or visit my website feelfreetolearn.com. There also in the test series you can able to see a railway exam. So inside that railway exam, initially I have given this 5 tests. 5 practice tests, right? So each test contains 25 questions, only 25 questions of aptitude and reasoning, and each test will be 1 hour. Kindly write all the 5 tests. First 3 tests I have prepared with easy level, and the 4th test will be little bit moderate level, and the 5th test will be hard level. Write all the 5 tests. Have a self-analyze what is your score. In case if you scored, your marks is only up 0 to 13 out of 25, I am saying out of 25, in all the 5 tests you are getting a mark around 0 to 13, you should study more, right? Even if you are getting 0, not at all a problem, right? Just you have to analyze what is my level in mathematics. That's the reason initially I am telling you, here is I am giving you 5 tests. That's the main reason to analyze what is your level in quantitative aptitude and reasoning. So if you score only like 3 or 4 marks, so what next step what you need to do is you have to practice more. First study more and then practice more. Only then you can able to score more marks here. In case if you got 14 to 20 range, right? So in all the tests I'm saying, in all the tests, if your score is around 14 to 20, you are at little bit of green zone. But what you need to do is just check what are all the questions you have made a mistake and what are all the questions where you can't able to solve in all the 5 tests. Make sure to practice those questions more. Or if you are getting 20 plus on all the 5 tests, so just give little bit importance to quantitative aptitude and reasoning, study all the remaining topics, current affairs or all the other sessions. So self-analysis is always important before preparing for any exams. So that's the reason the first step, if you are preparing for a railway exam, what you need to do is you have to analyze your aptitude and reasoning score. So after watching this video, do not forget to write all the 5 tests, right? So not only today, you can able to write this test on any of the days, right? 1 year validity, test validity, even tomorrow or day after tomorrow you can write it. But before preparing for the railway exam, so first try to write all the 5 tests, right? So even if you are getting 0, don't forget, just we can start preparing for it, right? But surely you can crack at one time. So don't worry about it. So this will be the first thing. And what is the second thing? My plan for this railway exam. What is my plan and what I'm going to do? So what I'm going to do in this railway exam series is I'm going to teach each and every topic on quantitative aptitude and reasoning, the important 25 question in all the models. When you take time and work, so I have seen the railway exam, what are all the important part they have asked the question from time and work. I have collected all that. I will be teaching 25 plus question on each and every topic. After teaching 25 question, I will be giving you homework. So this homework will be on the PDF file and this will be completely free. You don't want to pay any amount for it. This file will be shared on WhatsApp, right? So here is the WhatsApp channel link. So I have given a WhatsApp channel link in the description. So click the WhatsApp channel link and join the channel. So every time after teaching a video on aptitude and reasoning, the same related question we will be giving you as a homework on a PDF file, includes a solution. So we will upload it on the WhatsApp channel. So you can able to download it easily. So do not forget to join on our WhatsApp channel. Feel free to learn railway exam English, right? So after giving a homework, after the same day we will give you 2 tests, right? 2 tests will be given on the same test package railway exams. So inside the 2 tests you will find the first test with the easy level and the second test with the moderate level. So now you can able to see only 5 practice set inside the test package. So after posting each and every video on the same day, we will give you a homework PDF as a free and we will upload 2 tests on each topic. One will be easy level and second will be moderate level. And these tests can be taken multiple times. For a year, you can able to take the test 1 for multiple times. Today you can write the same test. After 3 months, you can able to write the same test. So you don't want to worry about it. So keep on practicing. Practice is more important. That's the reason we sit and analyze, right? How to make a students to clear in this railway exam. In order to clear in the railway exam, a student, what you need to do is you have to prepare. So first, preparation. Second, little bit of practice is required. That's the reason we are giving you an homework question. After giving a homework question, now the time management is important. Then we are giving the test. So practice this again. So we are going to put lot of effort, right? So similarly, if you too put an effort on preparation for the railway exams, cracking the exam is surely easy, right? So this is the plan that I am going to do for this railway exam. And the third important is the railway exam layout, right? Just look at the railway exam layout here. So I have taken 5 years of railway questions, right? Railway question papers. And I have analyzed what are all the topics on quantitative aptitude and the reasoning they have concentrated more. Just see, when you take time and work, 2 or 3 questions, simple interest, compound interest, simplification. But there are other topics in quantitative aptitude such as probability, permutation and combination. So these are the topics are not concentrated on the railway exams. Only 1 or 2, that too for the past 5 years. I think in permutation they have asked only 2 questions. But when you take time and work, 3 questions are there, right? So when you take simplification, 3 questions. When you take simple interest, compound interest, 2 to 3 questions, trigonometry, algebra, geometry, all are, don't think it is a huge syllabus, but if you split into small sectors, learning geometry or measurement will be very easy. So this is the aptitude layout, and that will be the reasoning. So why I have given this layout specially, because initially we can concentrate on these important topics. Initially we don't want to go with permutation or combination. We can give little bit less importance to all those topics, and we can give more importance to these topics while preparing railway exams, right? So this is the 3 things that I want to tell in this video. So first, your mark self-analysis. Second, in my YouTube channel for the railway exam, what I am going to do. And the third is the railway exam layout. So friends, that's it, right? So surely, in case if you have any doubts or you want me to do this or do that, so just comment me in the comment section. Most of the students say, when will you reply for the comments? I'm really sorry, I will reply for your comments, but I will be seeing all of your comments, right? So some students will say, teach me arithmetic progression, geometric progression, or some students keep on saying, teach me geometry. Surely everything I will teach you, from starting from the basics till the art level question, right? So don't worry about it. You have to prepare on your own also, right? Completely do not depend on me or do not depend on the channel, right? So we will make you to learn the basics, and we will make you to learn how to make the time management. If you have a little bit of self preparation, surely cracking the exam is very easy, right? So friends, that's it about this video. So 2 things never forget. First is joining on my WhatsApp channel, right? So I've given the link in the description page. First join the WhatsApp channel, and after joining the WhatsApp channel, do not forget to write all the 5 tests. And this is the railway package is 99 rupees. I'm really sorry that I can't able to give that alone for free. I have told this many times, I can teach 24 hours for free, or I can give whatever the material, but except the test series, because I have to pay lots and lots of amount for the server and stuff. We can't able to manage if I give it that for free. So I think 99 rupees is not a huge amount. So do not forget to get that railway exam for 99 and start practicing all the 5 tests. So after practicing all the 5 tests, analyze it. And then next week I will be posting railway exam videos starting from 1 to 3. So after posting every videos, I will upload the topic test also. So friends, that's it. In case if you want all my YouTube videos in an offline mode, you can just WhatsApp us to get that all my YouTube videos in an offline mode. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you really like it, share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for railway exams. Or if you have time, if your friends are nearby, just have a group study. It will be make easy to clear into the exams, because if you sit and study with your friends, it will be very funny, but you can learn at the time. At the same time, you can learn quickly also, right? So if you have any doubts, you can just ask your friend, and your friend know the doubt, he will be clearing you. So group study always make you to clear the exam little bit easily. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and from the next week I will be posting the railway exam videos. So in case if you have any suggestion, just say me, I will accept it, and I will try to make the changes on my channel. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.